Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix Messenger unfortunately stop and how to fix Messenger waiting for network problem. So guys, first of all, you have to go to your settings and then you have to go to first you have to make sure that your internet connection is on, and then secondly you have to go to your settings and you have to go to install apps or app manager, and then search for Messenger. Here is it. Click on Messenger, and then you can see here force stop button. Click on force stop and press OK. And then now again you have to click on storage, and then you have to clear all the data here, all the cache here. Now go back, and then you have to click on app permission and you have to allow all the permission here. Yes, I have already allowed it, so you have to allow all the permission here. And then the last step is go back to the settings, and then you can see here about phone. Click on about phone, and now you have to press on system update and see whether there is anything update on the phone. You have to update it. So this is how you can solve the problem. Thanks for watching.